Boys and girls, I'm going to read you another Pete the Cat story. It's called Pete the Cat Play Ball. Something that maybe a lot of you are doing right now. Here comes Pete the Cat. Pete has a mitt, he has a bat, and a ball. What will Pete do today? What do you think Pete's going to do? Pete will play baseball. Today is the big game. The Rocks are playing the Rolls. Pete and his team get set. They play catch. They take turns hitting. It is time to play ball. The Rocks bat first. Pete waits for his turn. Crack! The batter hits the ball. He runs to first base. Way to go, Pete cheers. Batter up, says the umpire. Pete goes up to bat. The pitcher throws the ball. Pete swings the bat. He misses the ball. Strike one. The pitcher pitches again. Pete swings too high. Strike two. The pitcher winds up and he throws. Pete strikes out. But Pete is not sad. He did his best. That's all you can ask. He did his best. Pete's friend Ben is up. Ben hits a home run. Way to go, cheers Pete. The Rolls get up to bat. The Rocks go to the field. Crack! Here comes a fly ball. I've got it, calls Pete. The ball hits his mitt, but Pete drops it. He is not sad. He did his best. That's all anybody can ask is for you to do your best. Another hit. This time Pete catches it, but he throws it too far. Pete is up at bat again. He wants to hit the ball. The first pitch is too low. Pete does not swing. Ball one. The next pitch is too high. Pete does not swing. Ball two. The third pitch is inside. The fourth pitch is outside. Pete gets four balls. Pete wanted to get a hit, but a walk is cool too. The next batter gets a hit. Pete runs as fast as he can. Pete wants to score, but he is out at home plate. Pete is not sad. He did his best. The game is over. The Rocks win 6-3. Way to go, calls Pete. Good game, the Rocks say. Good game, the Rolls say. Is that nice? Nobody was mad because they didn't win or they weren't real overly excited that they won to make the other team feel bad. They both said, "Way to go." Good game. Pete did his best. He had fun. What a great game. Wasn't that nice how they played together and it didn't matter who won or who lost, that they all tried their best and they gave each other encouragement. They said, "Good game." Okay. Have fun if you play ball tonight or whenever. Have a good time. I miss you. See you. Bye.